egg thins. These are cool. 0 carbs, 1 gram of protein. Basically, all it is egg whites and cauliflower. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. I'll let you know what I think. The weather is beautiful today. Just taking Mila out for a walk, and then I'm going to show you guys how I make my tacos and my desserts, and everything is basically no carb, and if it's some carbs, it's hardly any. I found the most amazing, most delicious, most delightful diet treat, diet hack, whatever you want to call it. I found it, and I want to tell the world about it, because if I would have known about this during my prep, game changer. Just telling you, game changer. I'm gonna continue to walk Mila, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you some more food options with these egg thins, because if you haven't figured it out by now, I'm obsessed. So this is just some chicken. This one got a little bit burnt, but that's all right. It'll just be a little bit crispy. And then I freaking love this sugar-free barbecue sauce, as you've seen with the flank steak and the brisket tacos. It is so good. And the calories, 10 calories for 2 tablespoons and only 2 carbs. So that is a-okay in my book. Regular barbecue sauce is like all sugar, because the first ingredient is sugar. So I'm gonna make up some tacos for lunch. I gotta get back to work pretty quick here. So I just came home and did the dishes, ran the dishwasher. Dishwasher's down below me, that's why. Try to show you my boobs. And started the laundry. So when I get home today, I want to do some editing, and I want to get this video up because everybody is asking me for the recipes, and I'm just like, cool. They're simple, but I'd rather show you than just explain. So that is the plan. There are so many more recipes that you can do. Like you could do a potato and egg and bacon, or potatoes and eggs and cheese, or egg, cheese, and bacon. Right now we're kind of limiting our dairy, so I don't have much going on with cheese. I do still eat it from time to time, but it's more of a treat than a consistent thing in my diet. Trying to do more recipes because I found my little spunk for cooking now that I found this new product. The French toast. Insane. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And I wish that this was like a television where you could actually smell and taste the things that I'm cooking, but it's not. So you'll have to make it yourself. Okay? So let's just end it here, and I'll stop babbling and let you get to cooking your own food. Okay, bye guys.